Hey everybody, welcome back to Barbecue by Biggs. Do I have a treat for you today? You ever find yourself with not enough hands, or you got too much stuff to carry and you can't carry it all yourself? We got a solution for that. The BougeRV electric utility cart. You wanna see what this thing's all about? Come along with us, stay tuned. So not only do we barbecue, but we have a young son that plays baseball, and we like to go camping. We like to do a lot of things. I'm sure a lot of you out there do that. A lot of times, we're trying to carry a bunch of stuff and we gotta make a bunch of trips. Even when we cook barbecue here and we take it over our friend's house, this is gonna make it a whole lot easier to get things around. So let's dive in here and see what this thing's all about. Definitely looks like they packed it well. It's definitely packed well. It's even got it between each one of these tires. Look at them suckers. You got them wide slicks on it. Go ahead and get this cut apart. Get this bad boy opened up. All right, we got the two things off the sides, one on each side. We'll just open this thing up. Here we go. And we'll just take these big old wheels, stick them right in the front. Once they're in there, just pop it in. You ever find you need to take these back out? There's a little button right here. Just push that button, lifts right out. So basically the only thing that you have to put on here is the handle and the battery. They send you this nifty screwdriver with a couple of screws. Really easy to do. We're just gonna take this 5 plug. It'll only go in one way. So we're looking for that dash on the bottom, the dash in the top. Push right together. Take that, slide that back in there. We'll just put these shoulder nuts through the bottom. Take the little bolt they provided. Let's tighten that bad boy up. Leave that one loose till we get the other one started here. Get that through. And we'll tighten them both up. So to get that battery in, arrow facing up, we'll just put it in and then we'll press firmly. Done. If you want to take it out, just pull it on out. Also towards the back, yours may have it, but it's got these stops that we're gonna have to get out of here. Just roll those wheels and pull on it a little bit and it comes right out. And there's also a cover right here for the screw that protects that wire. We're gonna put that on. And that one goes on as well. And we're geared up, ready to go. Let's see if this thing works. So if you made it this far in, you're probably just as interested as I was in this BougeRV electric utility wagon and its features. So let me run you through those right quick. This thing is pretty nice, really. It is really nice. So let me show you what this thing's all about. First thing I wanted to point out is it does have wheel locks. You just push down with your foot, and then you can unlock it with your foot as well. So you don't even have to bend over. So you just push it with your foot and then just step on it again and it unlocks. So you have one of these on each one of those sides. So handle position is important. So if the handle is up, it's not gonna go forward or reverse. So if your handle is in the up position, it senses, it has sensors on it, and it says, hey, you know what? It's up, it doesn't need to go anywhere. When it's in the walk mode, it'll go forward and reverse. When the handle comes down to a 10-degree angle, it will not go into reverse to make sure that we're not running over little kids or something in the back. So that's a pretty cool feature. On the inside, it has a zipper. You can unzip it and then you just click this here in the back and this will lay down. So if you have something long like a tent, you just undo these. Put a tent or a big cooler in the back of this thing and roll on. Pretty neat deal. And if you're not using this, you can zip it up on the inside or just click it. On the handle here, you have drive and you have a reverse. You can use your thumb on either side. So we go reverse or drive. That'll get you where you need to go. So with the screen on, you can see this got 57% left. You got gear 1, you can go gear 2, gear 3. Gear 3 is fast. If you got long legs, that's the one you need to do. You also have a forward, drive, and reverse. You can do it on either side with your thumb. And then you also have the same thing for the brakes. You can just pull the brakes, just pull it up, and it'll brake it. So now that we looked at all the features, let's load this thing up with something and take it for a ride. See if it goes over that. Oh yeah, handled that real well. So we're in gear 1 right now. Goes pretty fast. All right, let's shift to gear 2. See what gear 2 has to offer here. Now, that's pretty good. Nice little pace. Will it take you up over the grass, you ask? Let's try it. Oh yeah, that's a hill too. Coming along. Let's shift to 3rd and see what that does. It's rolling, boy. You gotta be long-legged to keep up with this thing. Back it up. Can't probably see it in the camera, but this front part of my yard is it's a uphill slope, so this thing handles it real well, and its battery's not even 100% charged. So we started at 57. Been messing around out here for a little bit. We're at 55. Yeah, 3's a little bit fast. We'll take it down to 2. So you could load a pretty good load in this thing. This box that I have right now is about 50 pounds. No problem coming up that slope with it. So we haven't used it a whole ton, but I'm pretty impressed so far. I have a pretty good slope on my front yard, came right up it in the taller grass. It's been raining, so it's a little bit wet out there. No problems with any of that. It's got the little wide wheels on it, so I'm sure it's pretty good in dirt and sand. Can't wait to get it out there and use it for that. Like I said before, we do a lot of traveling. We do a lot of baseball related activities that requires a bunch of seats, a bunch of chairs, canopies. Also, when you go to the barbecue cook-offs, you have canopies, you have all your rubs, you have your seasonings, you have everything going out there. And you know what? What better way to do it than with an electric utility cart? So if you're interested in this one, I'll leave links down in the description below. And as always, if you like what we're doing here, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next cook.